These are the worst hairstyles for your face shape. If you don't know your face shape already, make sure you're following and check out the filter in my pinned reel to find it. Starting off, we have round faces, and you want to avoid any low volume hairstyles like buzz cuts and crops, as these will make your head look even rounder. Oblong faces, as your face is already quite long and narrow, you want to avoid tight sides with high volume hairstyles, as you're not adding any width to your face, which is making it look even longer. Oval faces, lucky for you, you have the most balanced face shape, so you'll literally suit every hairstyle. Square faces, you want to avoid any low volume hairstyles with sharp lineups, as this will make your face look like a cube. Heart faces, because of your narrow jawline and larger forehead, you want to avoid tight sides paired with high volume hairstyles, as it will just make your forehead look even bigger. Triangle faces, as your jawline is the largest, you want to avoid tight sides, as this will make your forehead look way too small in proportion to your larger jawline. And lastly, diamond faces, because you have sharp facial features and wider cheekbones, you want to avoid tight sides with sharp lineups, as these will further sharpen those facial features, and tight sides will make your ears look huge. If you want to see the best hairstyles for your face shape, follow me.